Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So your Uber account got deactivated and you're wondering how to get back on the road or ordering rides again. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire process to reactivate your account step by step. Step 1. First, you need to understand why your account was deactivated in the first place. Check your email inbox for any messages from Uber explaining the reason. Common reasons include safety violations, fraudulent activity, or violating community guidelines. Sometimes it could be something simple like not using your account for an extended period. Step 2. Once you know the reason, head to the Uber app or website and look for the reactivation option. Usually, you'll find this in your account settings or profile section. If you're unable to access the app, try logging in through the browser version of Uber's website instead. Step 3. Now you'll need to submit an appeal or complete the reactivation process. This might involve answering questions about what happened or providing additional information to verify your identity. Be honest and thorough in your responses because Uber uses this to determine if you're eligible to return. Step 4. Depending on your situation, Uber may ask you to take a selfie for identity verification or upload documents proving who you are. Make sure you're in good lighting, your face is clearly visible, and any documents are readable and not expired. Step 5. Finally, submit your reactivation request and wait for Uber's response. This typically takes between 1 to 7 business days. Keep an eye on your email for updates, and if you don't hear back, you can reach out to Uber support directly through their help center to follow up on your case.